It's exam time, and apparently in exam time I like to my life more than it already is. So today I'm bleaching my hair. I don't really know what's gonna happen. If it does work, hopefully it'll be like a dip dye balayage, like blonde. If it doesn't work, I might just chop it off. So I bought this Heya permanent bleach. It's meant to be our way to bleach without ammonia. So I don't know if this is gonna work. It was either this or the L'Oreal Ombre one, but L'Oreal test on animals. So I don't really know if Heya do, if Garnier do. Probably should have looked at that before I bought any of it. I also got these, meant to be some silver conditioner and Sylvie. So hopefully my hair won't end up yellow. Right, so this is what my hair looks like at the moment. I should probably like move these. It's really not healthy. I never use heat on my hair at all, and when I do I use like heat protecting products. And it's still like all the ends are still all gross. Yeah, this video is going to be a lot of me like messing with my hair, so this might be the last time that my all this hair's on my head. If you know, the bleach just rips it off. So I've changed out my favourite jumper into an old t-shirt, so you can kind of see how it is before. Do you like it? No. Scissors. Also, my lovely work surface is a toilet seat. Just a toilet. And now that I've realised I'm shaking it, I realise I have no bowl to put this into. Okay. I'm destined to be a hairdresser. So you've been quite a lot on this one section. I'm just gonna... Woo! So I've done 2. And I've got like another couple to go. The original way I talked about doing this was like lying down and spraying my hair out and having a mirror above me, and I think that would have worked better than this, because this isn't working.
So basically my microphone wasn't on my camera, but in this clip I'm just saying how these little pouches of cling film feel warm.
Oh my god, I just realised everything I just did before has no sound. I'm all washed and I've used my lovely purple shampoo, and it looks quite ginger. Let me dry my hair and see how it looks when it's dry. Right. Well then.
How much of a change do you think it is?
It's not much of a change. I was expecting like bright blonde, and I didn't want to leave it in too much longer because I was afraid of those videos where like hair falls off. It's a day later because I forgot to record last night. I don't love it and I don't hate it. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see me cut my hair off, because I don't really know how much I like this, so I might just just cut it just like that. Oh wow, so lovely.